Our criminal injustice system has to change. Check it out. Leave your comments, ding the bell, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Kenyatta in Los Angeles. Hey, Kenyatta, what's up? I see you published a new piece over at Op-Ed News, by the way. Let me point people to it. What's on your mind today?
Well, thank you, Tom, for that. With regard to your topic today, one of the things that I would really like to see the Biden-Harris administration address is court reform in this country, or legal reform. There is, it's a real problem, Tom. And I know that Donald Trump called himself initiating some type of criminal justice reform, but basically in this country, and this is a country of laws, at least that's the propaganda. And in this country, if you don't have any money, and it doesn't have to be criminal court, you're done. You're done. If you don't have a lawyer, if you get rear-ended and you don't have a lawyer, you're going to get screwed by the insurance company. If you're going to be evicted and you don't have a lawyer, you're going to get screwed. And what's really ironic is that both President Biden and Vice President Harris are lawyers. And Washington is full of lawyers. And this is something, and from the criminal justice side, particularly as black people in this country for 400 years are at the bottom of every societal statistic, you end up, if you don't have $40,000, $50,000, if you're charged with a serious crime, to pay an attorney, you're going to get some apathetic, overworked public defender that is going to not ask you, are you innocent, not look into your case. You can't hire the private investigators that may be needed, and then it's going to cut a deal with the prosecutor who's on the same payroll that the public defender is on, and that public defender is going to tell you how lucky you are that they cut a deal off of your already abbreviated life. It's got
right, which is how I believe. I believe the statistic is something like 92% of all criminal cases are plea bargained. Do you know if I'm remembering correctly? And most of that is because, like you said, and most of that is because people don't have the resources to fight a case, and so they go, okay, well, 6 months in jail is better than risking 10 years, even though I'm completely innocent, but I can't prove it. So if those are my choices, I'll take the 6 months.
Oh, and it's horrific, Tom, because what it does is it destroys families, and it destroys families again, particularly among the people that you can take health statistics. You and I have had this conversation and talked about it before. Of all of the societal negatives in this country, as much as, listen, I wish it weren't so, there are black people. And so when you take a mother or a father out of a household, you have now set up a situation where there are generations that are going to be affected by that. And that's just got to change.
Yeah, I am totally with you. Brilliant. Thank you, Kenyatta. Always great to hear from you.